up, everybody? I'm Cito, and today we're gonna be going down to, or we're already here in Isla Mujeres down here in Mexico, and we're gonna be going through trying the golf carts, getting some food. There's doing a whole bunch of stuff that you can do down here in Isla Mujeres. And just look at this place. It's a freaking, it's a paradise. So let's get into it.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to be.
Alright, so we made it down, but now where do we go? There's like a little terminal area for the not the buses, the boats, and we're gonna follow where everyone else is walking over here. Everyone's going this way. One of the big things that you could do when you come down here, what I was seeing on YouTube on other videos, is that you can rent these little golf cart things here, and you see everybody renting them. There's people everywhere driving it. We're looking for a place to rent it, but some places are a lot more expensive than what I was seeing in the videos. Some other places don't even have it, so we're just gonna keep walking until we find one at least. One of the prices that somebody gave us was 1,400 for the day, so we're gonna keep checking. Look, rent a golf cart. Let's try this place. At that other place, we decided to keep walking. Maybe we could find something cheaper. And we found these ones on the side over here, and this one was 700 the hour. The place back there was 380, so no go, no luck yet, but we're gonna try some coconut cream water. Gracias. This is the coconut cream water. That's good. Last one we had was in Playa del Carmen, because they don't have it too much in Cancun, and these are freaking amazing. Worth it. What do you think? It's good?
That's really good.
Yes. All right, finally we got the golf cart. All right, here we go. Finally. Yeah. No, we need to, right? All right, from what the guy told us, going to the left is more interesting, and going to the right is more boring. Look at that. Woo. And we ended up getting this one for 600 pesos. So we got it for 2 hours. We're gonna take a tour all around the city here, or the island, and it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be cool to check it out. I feel like we're in Mario Kart or something, because there's a bunch of golf carts everywhere driving. Oh, there's a banana. Oh boy. We're gonna take first. We're gonna take first. Oh, he's not letting us pass. Woo! You're taking the lead. We're taking the lead. Woo! Yeah, it's like a little Mario Kart. People who did not find a golf cart have to walk, but not us. We got a golf cart. Look at, yeah, this is like more of the city area. Look, I got a hospital. I wonder if people have golf carts here as like their only form of transportation, or if you live here you own a car. Because it'd be pretty cool driving a golf cart around as your like personal vehicle. I mean, the island isn't big at all, so you don't really need too much more than that. All right, now it's her turn to drive. ¿Qué te parece? ¿Estás nerviosa?
Sí, estoy nerviosa.
She got her license last year, but she's pretty good at driving, but it's been a couple months since the last time that she's driven, so. ¿Lista?
Lista.
Vámonos. There you go. Okay, she's gonna stop driving now because we just witnessed a little crash on motorcycles. These two girls were driving, and they tried to pull a U-turn when they shouldn't, and they ran into another motorcycle, and the girls fell, but they're okay. I think their rental bike broke a little bit, and the other guy that they ended up hitting, he was okay, he didn't fall, but she's done for now. That's not good. But anyways, we're here in some corner piece of the island. I'm not too sure. We're like way far away. We've been driving for about like, I don't know, 30 minutes already? Yeah, maybe 40 minutes. And I'm gonna continue. We're gonna go towards the city before we have to return this. All right, so this is our first view of what the ocean looks like here. The Caribbean Ocean in Isla Mujeres. Down over there is Zona Hotelera from Cancun. The water here is a different color. It's a lot more blue. I mean, I'm also looking at it from the top view, but it's nice. It's beautiful, beautiful color. We stopped at the corner piece of the island, and it looks pretty closed, pretty abandoned on this side here. No, this island is crazy. It feels like we're on Lost or something like that, that one TV show. This is the open ocean side of the island, so it's pretty similar to what Cancun is, but just here on the island. And there's some rocks. This is nice. Alright, to save some money, Willie made some sandwiches, and no, these sandwiches are freaking amazing. And I don't think there's any restaurant, not even a 5-star restaurant, where you can literally eat on the sand on this awesome chair. That's some 5-star service right here. Let's get it. All right, we're heading back to the golf cart. We have exactly 25 minutes to get back to where we picked up the golf cart from. And if you're wondering what beach this is here, this is Coco Beach. We made it back. We're almost there, right around the corner, and we got 4 minutes to spare. Nice. All right, this is the place where we rented it at. The one good thing about that place is that the price was actually pretty good for 600 pesos for 2 hours. That's one of the cheaper prices that we found. When we were looking around, some of them were 500 pesos per hour, and I don't think you'd be able to do what we did in an hour, because you can probably drive and go through everything driving, but if you want to stop and take pictures and stuff, at least 2 hours is needed, if not 3. We didn't get to go through everything that we wanted to go through in the city, but we still got a pretty good experience with the golf cart, so I'd recommend renting one if you're down here. We're in the city area here where they have a bunch of little gift shops. Literally tequila everywhere and a bunch of souvenirs everywhere. It's really compact. It gives you like a really beach vibe in the city here. Little mission accomplished. She got a hat. She's been wanting this since we got to Cancun, and finally she got it. And one thing, you can negotiate here. The guy was trying to sell it for 350 pesos, which comes to about $15, $18, somewhere around there. And we ended up getting it for 200 pesos, so 10 bucks. When you come to the Caribbean, this is what you'd expect. Look at that. People are just in this giant beach, this giant swimming pool. Wow, there's people way over there, all the way out here. No, this is a huge swimming pool. There's very little bit of waves. There's like no seaweed that comes up here. This is nice. This is a good spot here. Woo! No, está fría. It's cold, but I think it's better than the ones in Cancun, because there's no waves, so you can actually go in slowly. Over at Cancun, you're walking slow, but the waves are pretty big, so you just start crashing with cold water when you're not ready. ¿Te parece bien? She says it's fresh. I like it. I like it. All right, here we go. Oh, that's refreshing. It's the middle of winter, but winter time here in Cancun is a little bit different. I'm a bit of a wuss with cold water and stuff. I'm usually the first one to complain when the water's cold and stuff like that. So to give you my perspective on how the water temperature is, I'd tell you it's not bad at all. It's good when you're moving around, kind of like how a swimming pool is with the temperatures of swimming pools. If you do stay still, it does get pretty cold. For me at least. Not bad. Being that it's winter time, it's amazing. I think the water right now is about like 25 Celsius and it's nice, it's comfortable. El patio. We're looking for some nachos right now or some guacamole. Un pico de gallo jalapeño. No, we want guacamole either. Guacamole, pico de gallo, 110. Not bad. All right, so we got the food, we got the guacamoles. All right, I got a mojito happy hour, lemon margarita happy hour. Salud. ¿Cómo está?
It's strong.
All right, and we're out. Food was bomb. It was only 10 bucks for all that, so not bad at all. Now we gotta run because the ferry is leaving in
5 minutes.
6 minutes. 5 minutes, 6 minutes. So we should be there already, but we decided to do that. But hopefully we can make it. If not, we have to wait a whole hour for the other ferry to go out. So let's get it. Yeah, we're gonna have to run. All right, and that's the end of it. That's taking a tour down here in Isla Mujeres. We're gonna get on the Xcaret boat back to Cancun, and we're done. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I'll be back with the next one in a couple days. Peace.